So if you got in on the 2-minute EWO, which was somewhere in here above VWAP, right? You're
Yep.
going to do the same drill. You had 150 shares. Once it starts to drive up, we put our stop loss at or above what we paid. Every pullback you will shed, right? So here was your first pullback, 50%. So now you have 75 shares left. It came up,
Yep.
it pulled back, and then you're going to get rid of like another 25 shares. So now you got like 50 shares. It
Yep.
came up, it pulled back. You're going to do the same thing. You'll get rid of another 25. Now you've got about 25 shares left, and then you'll end the day with it. Do you see how you do that?
Yeah, what I did was I set the stop up
I know exactly what you did. Yep. And
at
that's
like
why I said don't do that. So here's what you were
okay.
doing. So you bought here, it moved up, and you kept going stop, 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 right? Oh, I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Of course you will. You're not supposed to do that, everybody, right? We set it here. You set it here. What have I been saying every single day? Set your stop at or above what you paid. Leave it alone. And I've been telling you every day, I would rather you made no money, none you damn business on the money. I'd rather you made $0 so that you get in the habit, right, Arlo, of leaving it alone and running forever instead of, oh, I made $13 right here. Stop. If you don't stop doing that, you will never make money.
With that, I
8:45, coach. 8:45.
Thank you.
I stay too long is my issue. So that was my first time doing that. So I
Yep.
thought, oh, I finally followed the rules because I stay in them too long. I don't have a problem with house alone.
No, that's okay. And we'll work on it. Listen, I'd rather you, no matter what, it's a free trade.
Right.
You got to
right.
start thinking of it like that. If you entered here and your stop is here, you don't lose any money the rest of the day, right?
Right, right.
So even if it did this and all of this and it came back to zero, it costed you nothing. So why do you panic to make 40 bucks when you should leave it alone and make 500 bucks?
Right,
You
right.
see the difference? You've got to leave it alone. You guys, you're all still doing the same thing, even after I hammer you every day. Leave it alone. Let it work. Get comfortable. Here's another good way to do it, right? If you're still on the fence, you still, now shares is a little bit more challenging as far as, you know, how much room to give it. Contracts are a little easier. You're like, oh, it pulled back 50%. Shares are a little different. So here's what I would recommend, at least to start. If you paid one, let's say you paid, I don't know, just to be easy. Let's say you paid 10 bucks. Okay. Right here is 10 and it moves up to 11. Just to be simplistic. When you guys ask me, you're always like, coach, well, where should I have my stop? How about you split the difference? So it would be 10.50, right? Because that would put you about right here on your stop. It protects you, right? And now let's say it went up to 12. So you paid 10, it goes up to 12. Where do you think I would tell you to put your stop?
11.
There you go, because we're splitting the difference. So right here, you bought it here, it goes up to here. If you split the difference, you still have plenty of room for this thing to make all sorts of moves. And does that make sense on shares?
Yep.
Yes, sir. That makes me happy. That's what we did yesterday.
Yeah, good job. So even if it's tighter, let's say it's tighter. Let's say it's here to here. Well, still though, right? 50% is still right here. You still got quite a bit of movement, a little bit of range. The more it goes up, the more I like to leave it alone, guys, because it'll come way up and then it wants to come way back. We know how this works. The higher up it goes, the more it wants to come back to, you know, try to get to VWAP. And then it will make the next move, right?